I thought I'd do a little video in case some people wonder when we're doing this winter camping how we stay warm in Stealthy Nutzz here. I installed well, first thing we have is excuse me, we have all these warm sleeping bags. I got 2 of them there, and I also have another one underneath the bed in case I ever need a third. But we got those, and we got the pillow. But better than that, we have installed this Chinese diesel heater, they call it. Same as the West Basso diesel heater. And I just simply press the button here, set the temp to whatever I like, and it comes on. And there's a vent down there, and nice warm air, hot air blows out of there. I installed this, that's where I fill it up at. It's my little diesel tank for that. Now, because these have heat exchanger technology, no fumes enter the inside at all. You don't need a CO detector or any of that bullshit. Underneath the tire here, unless you can see it, there's the muffler, and that's an exhaust, and it exhausts the spent fuel right out there. So inside, it just recirculates and heats the heat that is created by the diesel heater. I had this up in Cleveland last January. I think it was 5 degrees outside, and we were at toasty 70 degrees inside Stealthy Nutzz. So we're going to be, like I said, we're going to be heading up to Cleveland next week, getting some dental surgery first, and then I'm going to go up for Susie's party. So Kevin and I will be sleeping in Stealthy Nutzz, and I'm going to maybe do some, maybe head out to the forest tomorrow and just do a night out there. Just in case anybody wants to see, that's the Ohio River, and that's what it looks like. And that's across the Ohio River. That's a town known as Martin's Ferry. Okay? Alright, have a great day.